Hey doing everybody. Right, this is a short video here. Right. A second here. Right. I bought myself a set of Chubb IK70s. Now I don't know why it's 1K or IK70 handcuffs. The body of this here is I've been told aluminium, and this here bit here is steel. So why is he's not working for? I don't know why he's not working for. All right. That's the wee differ at the back. I don't know what that's for. One's for, I don't know what it's for. I'm gonna have to find out. I only got these here a couple of years ago, so right. I want to show you something here. This here is the key for it. Okay. Now it's a square key. Does anybody out there know where I can get a Chubb key for this here? Now I've been told to ask Coxie, but I don't want to bother him too much. If anybody knows where I can get a link to get one of these keys, I'd be grateful. It has to be in Chubb. This here's square. So if anybody knows, please give me send me a link or tell me where to get a wee Chubb key for these here handcuffs. They're absolutely brilliant. I've actually tried them all. Right, hold on, let's get these here right here. Why is this not working for? Right, now I have a big fat wrist on me, and that there fits perfect. Now let's see what way these things come off. Oh, thank God. They're brilliant. First set of handcuffs, and let's see, they're beautiful Chubbs. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And I got them, well, cheap enough. So I said I might only buy one set of Chubb handcuffs, or one set of handcuffs, but knowing me, I'll probably buy more. But anyway, that's it for everybody. This is my new sort of thing, and hi, I'm interested. Right, everybody. Oh, t-shirt. My people skills are just fine. It's my tolerance to idiots that needs work. I don't know if you can say that now, but it's brilliant. Right, everybody. I'll talk to you later. Right, bye bye. Right, move, sweetheart. You're almost on your tail.